Hey guys, this is David from Yucatan Real Estate Group, and today I'm here again with Jean-Pierre, who's our business partner and project manager for this beautiful home, Casa El Encanto.
This is Casa El Encanto. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. It is priced right now at 6.75 million pesos. Welcome home. Well, the first item, as you can see, is that we have a parking space which is extremely valuable here in Centro and very well appreciated by guests that may come here. Obviously, you can also park in the street. It is a safe place, but having this obviously is a very good item. We also have over there on the corner the washer and dryer spot so that you can have all the equipment in the house. We have a half bathroom that serves the terrace and the living areas. Please join me, I want to show you the terrace here, which could also be converted as the 3rd bedroom, but we decided that we wanted first to give the space for a potential buyer for them to decide what they want to do. So it is a fully open space right now, but you can just serve it as a terrace in the afternoons, or if you want to convert it into the 3rd bedroom, it will work wonders. Right now we're just enjoying the nature. You want to have your private space, but you also want to have openness towards the exterior areas. So the idea is that we wanted to connect this living space through the pool towards the 2 bedrooms, which are on the back side of the property. We have the smaller room, all they have in suites, and we also have the master bedroom, which has obviously a bigger bathroom to serve. If you want to, please come and let's check out the space. You can also see, for example, the quietness of the area. We are surrounded by good neighbors, which is also extremely interesting. And we decided to put some little items out, the plants, but at the end of the day, it will be you. So you can finally round it up and keep your house. This is the 2nd bedroom with its own ensuite. It has space also for a closet, and they will come obviously with ventilators, and you can also add your ACs. All the preparations are in. And then, following this corridor, which we could also put some type of the mosquito frame if you were interested, we have the access towards the master bedroom, which is by far a very big bedroom with all the space you might need. If you were able to follow up the construction process and you saw the renders, you will see that we are committed to providing exactly the same product that we offered from the beginning. So if you want to just quickly scroll back and find the renders, you will see exactly these type of spaces. Obviously, it is up to you to just put your own beds and equipments. But we have a very well ventilated bedroom, and that opens towards huge and I guess very nice also bathroom that opens towards the greenness of the area. We have 2 showers and everything you might need. Well, there is nothing less to say than just to invite you to your home here in Merida. Remember, the pricing is 6,750,000 pesos. We have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, all the amenities you may want, garage, nice street, good neighbors, and I think a lovely house that's only waiting for you. Take care. If you're interested, please contact us.